So today we are going to see the flowers. It's in Darling in Cape Town. It's one of the places we wanted to go to. I think last year we heard about it, and then this year we said because we moved to Cape Town, we're going to go there. So we're excited, and it's about an hour's drive from home. Apparently, there's it only happens for like 6 weeks or 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks in the year, and if you miss it, then you don't actually get to see anything. So stay tuned.
So we're leaving home now, and we have 2 stops before we make our way to go see the flowers. We're stopping to drop off our laundry, and then we're going to hopefully what we think is an Indian store, spice store. Tomorrow's Lakshmi prayers, so it's the struggle of being Indian and living in Cape Town. We need to get new red strings. Mine actually came off. It's been a while since it came off, but this year, then again, it has been a bit of a crazy year. But anyways, they said that they're getting a delivery. If you guys know of the store, it's called Atlas. That's where we're gonna go. So next up to the laundromat, and then Atlas, and then the flowers. So we're kind of lost, just going with the flow.
We think it's there.
Yeah, we think it's that patch there. I'm not sure if you guys can get in there. It's too much exposure. But yeah, we think it's like out there because we can see like a significant difference in color. But we're kind of just winging it. We just got the area here on the GPS, so we don't exactly know where we're going. But we'll kind of figure it out. And Google doesn't. Oh my goodness, there's a bear!
Okay, how do I get there?
That's it. I bet you guys can.
Oh, I think I take a right here. Yeah.
Okay, so now
right
we need
here.
to figure out how to get there.
You need to take a right here.
Oh, it's so pretty. Well, according to the map, it does say that we are 4 minutes away.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay. Let's see. How do we get there now? So we changed roads. We're on another road now, passing some cows. Such a pretty day today. This is such a beautiful city. There's so much going on here. And there's flowers for days, as you guys can see. Look at that. Looks like white daisies. Such a beautiful day. And then look what's coming up. Oh my god. That's it.
Wow.
Okay, so how do we get in there?
Just pull off. You just pull off on the side of the road.
I think so.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yo, that's a lot of flowers.
That is a lot of flowers.
Go past.
No way. Oh, you want to see if there's like an entrance?
Yeah, I don't think we can go.
Well, we'll figure it out.
Looks like there's a gate. Oh my word, look at this. What are these things? Check these things out.
Yeah, we made it.
Look how brilliant. What is it?
I don't know what they are. Whatever they are,
so we made it to Darling. Well, it's like it's a slip road off Darling, and we made it. I mean, look at this. It's incredible. It goes on for like kilometers and kilometers and kilometers on this side, and then on this side. Insane. They say it happens once a year, and there's Pre here. We parked. It's just a little dirt road that you just pull off. It's like no directions, no location. It's just here. I mean, look at the mountains in the back there. I don't know if you can see it. It's insane. Cape Town is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. You just gotta come and find the places.
Can you hear the bees?
Yes, I can hear the bees.
It must be like bees I want to pick one, but I mean, like, look at it. It literally just looks like a four-leaf flower. It's cute. So, as you guys could see, we finally made it here. We, like Dav said at the beginning of the video, we were initially we found out about this like last year, and we actually came to Cape Town on I think the 1st or 2nd of September, but we kind of missed it and we weren't really in that region. But we're here now and it's so beautiful, like with sunglasses, without sunglasses, in the moment of videoing, without videoing. It is just absolutely surreal. Like, I hope you guys can see this. Really just
Something else.
Yeah, it does not do justice. I mean,
so if you're in Cape Town during, I think it's mid-August to mid-September, and if you're planning to come to Cape Town during this time, take a drive, hire a car, ask a friend to take you, come and see this. I think there's about 4 or 5 locations that you can come and see. I think there's different like colors of flowers. This is just one. I don't even know what flowers these are. Canola flowers or whatever, but I don't know what they are. But yeah.
Probably. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, like I said, there are different locations and there's different color flowers. So we just kind of winged it. We just Googled it, even though it wasn't really, Google wasn't really that helpful this time around. But we just typed in, I think we searched for an area called Darling, and we just added it into the GPS and figured our way here. So yeah, this is the Cape Town Flower Festival. Hope you guys get to experience this someday.
Bye.